did.
Run! It's a monster!
You'll all pay. Every one of you.
What's going on? Oh no! There's a monster attacking the city! We have to stop it now!
Is that McQueen?
Oh no! McQueen! What happened to you?
We'll save him, no matter what.
Stop! This isn't you! You're a good friend!
No one will stop me from getting my revenge.
Ryder!
You hurt our friend and we won't forgive you!
McQueen! Where are you? Has anyone seen McQueen?
What happened? Oh no, my friends! You're here. We need a leader like you to guide us. Robot Sky, take to the skies and drop the electric net. Robot Rub, set up the trip line. Robot Chase and Robot Marshalsea, finish this.
I finally found you! Thank you for arriving just in time. Let's go, McQueen! This magical garden is all ours! Hey, Kitten! Over here! Come join us!
Kitten, let's go get some berry cotton candy. It's the sweetest ever.
Wait for me, I want candy too!
Hey, wait up! Don't leave me back here! Okay, which way? Left? Maybe right? I am totally lost out here! Whoa! Spinning out of control here! I've never seen anything like this. I don't believe this place! What in the world is going on down here? What is this place? I can't take this! I need to get out of here! Who's there? Hello? Is anyone here? Oh no! Ah! Stop! I can't take much more of this!
Your light will fuel my journey into the endless void. I am more than a worm now. I am unstoppable. Run! Worm is coming! Out of my way!
The surface world will feel my power!
McQueen's face on that giant worm? Whatever it is, it's scary!
It's breaking through! Run for your lives!
Help!
Somebody help us! Ka-chow! Nothing personal, pal. I'm just built different. Time to clear some space.
Keep running faster!
I can't! I'm scared!
The energy output is fluctuating rapidly. Levels are spiking into the red zone. It's heavily corrupted.
Paw Patrol, we have an emergency at the observation point. The fairy tale park is going haywire. We need your help immediately.
You can't stop the 95! Witness the power of the counterattack!
All right, Rubble. New coordinates locked. I need you to deploy the stabilizers on my mark. Move out!
Sweet dreams.
Darkness consume light, return vortex, cleanse this tainted born.
Crystal mirror, bend the earth light and seal that creature! Everyone, focus your hearts.
Let's help McQueen inside!
We'll bring him back safely.
This warmth, it's pushing the darkness away.
The harmful energy is leaving you? You're calming down.
Scanning complete. Power levels stable. Initiating restoration sequence. You're gonna be fine, Worm.
Restoration sequence initiated. Hang on, Worm. You're gonna be okay.
Me again!
And I am whole.
There, it's sealed tight. Everything is going to be fine. I can't believe how massive it is.
It's incredible! Look at its eyes!
Wow, look at the butterflies!
They're everywhere!
Faster, everyone! This is wonderful!
Another night of scavenging, McQueen. Let's see what the city left for us. There we go. You carry the treasures, partner.
Do you smell that, McQueen?
Come on, McQueen. Maybe tonight we don't sleep hungry.
This is all I have. Is it enough for one loaf, please?
Thank you. Half for you, half for me.
Target environment acquired. Weak prey detected.
You call this sustenance? Such a trivial meal.
That's mine. Give it back. Attainment acknowledged.
Little toy.
Even your food is beneath my standards.
Stop, please. No.
We will transform this weak machine into a weapon of chaos. Injecting hyperalloy overdrive serum. Prepare for metamorphosis.
What are you doing to me? This isn't me. Stop it! Kitten, where are you?
Behold, Monster Truck McQueen, engine of destruction. Monster Truck McQueen, initiate urban annihilation protocol. Target, city. Engage maximum force.
Maximum destructive output achieved! Surface integrity compromised!
Monster Truck McQueen! I've got you on my radar! I'm on my way! Hang on, whoever's inside that machine! I'll stop this madness! Racer, this rampage ends now! Your weak point! Crushed beneath my weight! Not good! Still standing, you'll have to try harder.
More power to the tip. Show him our true strength. Obedience level, absolute. Destruction level, maximum.
Can't give up. Not while that thing is loose. Ryder, stop! Don't fight him alone. McQueen is in there.
Please, come back to me, McQueen. I know you're still in there.
Remember our nights in that alley? We shared everything.
Is that you?
He's back!
I thought I lost you forever.
City's safe, and you two earn that breakfast.
This time we get to eat in peace.
One more can, buddy. Keep rolling.
Cargo secure.
Make it snug. I like fast corners. Whoa! That smell. Follow your nose.
Here, kid, fresh and hot. Half for me, half for my pit crew. What a charming dump. You call this food?
That's ours!
Let's upgrade our racer. Burns! Ground integrity.
I'm on my way! McQueen, stop!
Mode. Ground smash.
Power! Enough! You're hurting my friend! Sonic, get out of there! Please.
Come back to me, McQueen.
I hear you. Standing down. Ugh. He's back! Don't scare me like that again!
Another time. Hey, no fair! This isn't over!
And a brand new day.